Can you pick it up and put it in your mouth? What if I help you out? No thanks? You like how that feels? It's squishy? Good? Thumbs up or down? Okay, not ready yet. Can you pick some up by yourself? It's in your hand. Look. It's on your hand. Now put that in your mouth. Oh, almost. This is slippery. And put that in your mouth. Or just smush it and make a mess. Oh, gross. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.